Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show what I purchased at Gucci. A couple of days ago, I went to Gucci and finally made a decision and was able to purchase this crossbody bag that I have been wanting for such a long time. So, let me show you guys. So I have here the bag. And on the website, they called this one a Neo Vintage GG Supreme messenger bag. So it is a messenger bag, but I always call it like a crossbody bag. So anyways, let me show it to you. Here's the bag. This is the Gucci messenger bag. And oh wow, it's so beautiful. It's bigger than I thought, actually. On the website, this one looks a little smaller. So this one is made up of a Gucci Supreme canvas. And oh, I love the detailing right here on the patch, the leather logo. And this one, this one, the Gucci, the word, the logo Gucci. If you take a look at that, that was actually embossed. And this one is, this one has made up of like gold foil in it. Oh, look at the skull. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. That's also another reason why I purchased this one. It's because, I don't know. There's just like there's quite a few of those crossbody that they have at the store. Also, you could actually take a look at the website, but this one seems to looks like there's like a vintage vibe to it. This one has right at the corner and the side. This corner right here is made up of leather. So there's the front is canvas, and then the back also is the entire part of this bag are canvas, and the side corners are made up of leather. On the entire corner right at the side is made up of leather. Now look at the stitching right at the corner. It was very well done. It was the tab right here. So where they attach the hardware to use as a crossbody bag. And by looking at it right here at the camera, it was very well done, the stitching. Oh my goodness. Look at that. The stitching for this particular piece are impeccable. I mean, just by looking at it, it was very well made. It was straight. Obviously, this is handmade. And I mean, look at the detail once again. I was like totally mesmerized by it. Like, oh wow, it's amazing. Like the patch right at the front. Look at the patch. Perfection. Oh my gosh. This bag is very well constructed. I love it. So this one has a zipper closure. Let me test the zipper. Oh, the zipper is not that smooth. I think with my experience with Gucci, most of the zippers were actually not that smooth. I'm just probably going to have to put a little bit of wax in it to smoothen this one out. But yeah, the zipper are actually not the best. And also, there's a little bit of like, zipper pull here. And I love the touch of yellow in it. So yeah, if you put it against the brown leather, the yellow stood out. That's nice. And I think this one is leather as well. I love the detail in that. So let's take a look at inside. So let's take a look at inside. Oh, I still have some stuff in here. So the inside has a very large opening. Look at the inside. Oh, the lining. I think this is the lining is linen, I guess. The cotton linen, I guess. Oh yeah, it has a floral stuff, right? The fabric lining inside. It's so beautiful. And what else do we have here? This is like a care card. And it has one pocket right here in the inside. And it has a logo. So logo, it says Gucci. And this one is made in Italy, where most of their stuff is made in Italy. So this bag is actually pretty roomy though, and it's like it's soft. I like that the opening is very flexible. So if you want to put something inside, like, you know, it just opens it wide. I really like that. And what else do we have here? That's pretty much inside. Just love the floral lining. It's very beautiful. So let me get the strap. So here's the strap that comes with the bag. And oh wow, this is also another reason why I purchased this one. It's because of the strap. I love the fact that the strap is removable. So I have a chain. I have a chain here. I have here a chain. This is from one of my purses. So let me just try to put this one here. This is actually made up of brass as well. But this one is a little bit lighter. This one is a little bit lighter than the Gucci. I think it's pretty close. But let me just try to put this. Look at that. It's beautiful. Wow. Well, I could have used a thicker chain, but I think this is fine. This is all right. So let me just show you a closer look of the bag with the chain itself. Oh, it is entirely a different look. It looks nice though. That's my thought. It looks really lovely. And let me go back to the original strap that comes with it. That's another reason also why I purchased this bag. It's because of the strap. I love the color combination of the strap. So let me get that one. So this strap is a combination of a green and red web. Oh, look at the yellow. Oh my gosh, the contrast between these three different colors all together with the brass. Oh, it's so beautiful. Wow. And also looking at the detail. Oh, this one is leather. The yellow stuff here. The yellow patch here is leather. And look at the stitching again. It's so beautiful. It's handmade. It's so beautiful. And this is the hook where you could put, all you have to do is just press it right. Just press it like that, like clams. And that's it. It's easy. Oh, the strap is so gorgeous. The reason also why I wanted this bag is I could pretty much use the strap in any of my bags. So it's so beautiful, guys. It's like, it's beautiful in person than just by looking at on the website. It's actually, the color is vibrant. The yellow and the combination of the red and green all together are vibrant. So I'm going to show you now with the bag itself and the strap. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. The combination of this brown, the dark brown, the green, the red, and the yellow and this beautiful, beautiful hardware. And also the patch with a gold foil in it, and in the skull, the detailed, the corners of the bag is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's just like my impression. It's like I think I made the right decision because I know it's already been summer, and I know that Gucci already released a lot of those messenger bag, and across Marmont, I think it was Marmont, they called it Marmont, and it came with such a gorgeous colors. It came with such vibrant and pastel colors. I'm gonna show you the link. I'm gonna show you a clip for that collection, and they are gorgeous. They're so beautiful and they're vibrant, and it comes with pastel colors, and the colors in person were so lovely that the combination between the pastel colors and the bright silver really blends in well together. I so love the silver and the pastel color together. It was so beautiful, but I was so close of saying like, oh, I wanted to get this one because of the color. I mean, and I was thinking like, well, I already made up my mind. I know what I wanted, so I have to stick to what I really wanted. And this particular bag is something that I've been wanting for such a long time. I think this has been released for a while now, and the one that they just released with the pastel colors were the only downside for that. Personally, it's the color. I mean, those bags are not that cheap. They're probably at least $1,500 or more. It depends on the size though. And they are gorgeous. I mean, don't get me wrong, they are beautiful. They're like an eye candy, definitely, you know. And I was so close of getting one of those. I'm so happy that I stick with my decision. It's because if I got that pastel colors, my problem would have been first, the color transfer. That bag is so bright, it's so light that could attract dirt so easily. If you just lay that bag on the table or anywhere, just like that, in a blink of an eye, you could easily get dirt from it. And I don't really like spending thousands of dollars for something that attracts a lot of dirt. And you know, I mean, that particular bag is like, you need to take care of it all the time. Like when you use it, when you wear it, you have to be very careful not to get a color transfer. You just gonna have to be like careful all the time. Like I just don't really want to wear something that all I think of, oh, this might get dirt or that kind of thing. So personally, that is not practical for the color itself, but it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. But I don't know if that Marmont bag came with the darker colors, but because we're heading towards summer, so it is summer actually, then that's why they introduced that one. But it was so beautiful. It was so gorgeous, guys. It was just so amazing. I was so mesmerized. Like, just keep looking and checking every detail of it. And it was very well made though. It was very well made. You could see the stitching because it was bright. It was lighter color. It was pastel color. And you could see every detail of it. And I love it. It's so beautiful. But I made my decision. I'm so happy that I stick to my decision, and this is my first priority. And by looking at it, checking the quality of the bag, and it smells so good. The leather smells so delicious. Wow, delicious. It's not food, but it just smells so good that I could smell it. That my entire room probably smells like leather right now. The dust bag smells like leather. It's oh my gosh. I am so in love with this bag. Look at the color combination together. It was like, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. And I'm pretty sure that the canvas, the leather, is made of durable materials, but just by looking at it. And that's with me when purchasing a bag, is I am much more concerned with the craftsmanship and also the material that they use. And I think this one retails for $980. I am, if I'm not mistaken, plus tax, so you end up paying like at least $1,000 for this bag. And if you're gonna ask me, it's worth it. I haven't really worn this bag yet, and I can already say it's worth it just by the quality itself. And I am so happy that finally I was able to get a hands of these. I really thought this is already sold out, but I'm glad that Gucci still has it on the website. Where I'm so happy that I was able to get it on the website. That's a nice thing. And it's soft. It's not very like really soft. Only here at the on top and at the bottom, it has a structure to it, which I like. And also like the bottom is dark chocolate color, because then again, the dirt, you could if there's it could get some dirt or something, then you could easily wipe it off, or you could easily hide it. It's because of the color itself. So anyways, look at that, the detail right at the corner. It says Gucci. It's so lovely, it's so beautiful. The hardware, the brass hardware, seems to be very sturdy, guys. Oh my goodness. This is another bag. Like, oh, I already have a lot of bags, but this is something that I think, oh no, this is not my first messenger. I have several messenger, and I decided to get this messenger bag. It's because it's been a while that I haven't got anything that you could, like this particular brand. And, well, I got the multi-pochette accessoire. That's different, but I'm pretty sure this one could fit a lot more than the pochette, the multi-pochette. And I just love it. So that's it for today, guys, for my little unboxing. I hope that you'd like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And definitely I'll see you on my next unboxing. Thank you. I'll see you. Bye.